Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with an energizing core movement. Sitting tall, place your hands to lightly rest behind your head with your elbows wide. Inhale, center, exhale, gently twist. Inhale, center, exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue rotating from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine. Maintain your hips facing forward, allowing this movement to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Adding on, inhale at center, exhale, gently twist as you lift through the opposite leg. Inhale at center, exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue twisting from right to left, working through your own range of motion, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Continue here, or optional to add a toe touch. Inhale at center, exhale, gently twist. As you reach opposite hand to leg, continue flowing from right to left, lightly lifting through your lower belly, feeling this action awaken your center. Release and return to center. Moving into another leg lift variation, sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your chair. Lift both legs up, out to the side, and back to center. Stay connected to your breath as you keep your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps while creating more mobility in your hips. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, adding on, place your feet together with your knees open wide. Begin to lift and lower, keeping your chest lifting and your spine long, using your core to stabilize. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.